Good afternoon. Hi, video message for Jeff. Jeff, hello sir, thank you for buying the McCulloch President. So, strange I missed this I missed this one already because I've never cut with her until that video. So I will show her running one last time before I take off the bar and chain and send her off to you. So it's interesting, you can see how she starts from cold. Kill switch, throttle lock, choke. Oh wow, okay, even quicker than normal. Gave it the choke too prematurely. Choke off. Okay, many thanks, Jeff. I hope you love this one as much as I have. And I hope she serves you well, or if it's in a collection. I'd love to hear how you get on with her. Bye for now, sir.